Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be how to do the houndstooth stitch. Houndstooth. I don't really know how to say it properly. Somebody comment below and let me know how to say it right. But today we're going to be doing the houndstooth stitch. So we're going to start off with a slip knot. And then you're going to be chaining an odd amount of stitches. So for this tutorial's sake, we're going to do 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we have 11 chains. So in the second stitch from the hook right here, we're going to be placing a single crochet. Just dip into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. In the next stitch, we're going to be placing a double crochet. So yarn over, dip into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And the chain after that, we're going to be doing another single crochet and then another double, and you're going to just keep doing that until you get to the last stitch. The last stitch should be a double crochet, so it should be single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, all the way across to the last stitch. So now we've gotten to our last double crochet, so we're going to yarn over, hook into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, right? You should still have 2 loops left on your hook. And here's where I like to switch colors. So you get your new color and you yarn over with your new color, holding it at the bottom of the hook. Then you use the new color to pull through those last 2 loops. Then you pull your old color to tighten it. And then you chain 1, then turn your work. So what I like to do with the old color, so that I don't have to keep cutting and having a bunch of ends to weave in when I'm done, I take the tail from the new color and the previous color and I hold it at the top of my previous row. To start this row, we're going to be placing a single crochet in the first stitch to push into the stitch, but you're going to make sure that the tail and the yarn from the previous color are on top of your hook. Then you're going to pull a loop and then you get a single crochet. So your tail and your yarn from your previous color is now inside of that single crochet. In the next stitch, we're going to be making a double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, dip into the chain, making sure that your tail and your yarn from your previous color is on top of the hook. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. The next is a single crochet. The next, a double crochet. And then you just continue that pattern of single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet all the way to the end. Making sure to keep the yarn and your tail on top of the hook when you dip into each stitch. So now we're at our last double crochet of the row. We're going to yarn over, dip into the stitch, making sure the yarn from the previous color is on top of the hook. Then pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So now we have 2 loops on our hook. Now here's where we're going to switch colors again. You're going to take your yarn from your previous row, and that's what you're going to be using to yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Then we chain 1, turn our work, take your yarn from your previous row, place it on top of your work, and then single crochet into that first stitch with your new color, making sure the yarn from your previous row is over the hook, just like the last row. So you're going to continue with your pattern of single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. So once again, we're at our last double crochet. Yarn over, push into the stitch, making sure that the yarn from our previous work is over the hook. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over with your new color, pull through the last 2. Chain 1, turn your work. And this is what it starts to look like. It starts to get the little houndstooth pattern. You can't even tell that your yarn is tucked up in there. So we're going to turn our work. We're going to take our yarn from the previous row and hold it on top. Then single crochet in the first stitch, double crochet in the next. Then we're at our last double crochet, and you guys should know what to do by now. We yarn over, go into the stitch, making sure that our yarn from our previous color is on top of the hook. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over with the new color, pull through the last 2, chain 1, turn your work. And that's going to be the pattern that you repeat over and over until you have your desired size. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please leave me any questions, comments, concerns in the comments, and like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.